All right, today I'm going to show you how to use our product dashboard to find items that have great inventory position, but maybe haven't been featured in a recent promotion. So let's discover these hidden gems and spotlight them in an upcoming campaign. Go over to your Analytics tab here, and we're going to pop over to the products dashboard. Now, as you can see, our products dashboard is a really fun visual view, but there's also a table option, which I kind of like better for doing some of the sorting of products. And I'm also gonna get rid of the previous year because that's just creating more stuff in this table that I don't need. All right, now these are all of my products in my Shopify store. I'm actually going to filter down for, I know I have at least 50 units in stock, and I know I have at least 12 weeks on hand. So you notice in this table that there's also information about when's the last time these products were featured in the campaign and when they will next be mentioned in an upcoming campaign. There's also a field that tells you the total number of times this product was featured in a campaign during this period, which is year to date. So what I want to do is add a condition here for marketing mentions equals 0. So we haven't talked about them at all this year. Now, I'm going back to my table and I have about 20 SKUs that I haven't talked about this year, and I have really good inventory position on. And these are ones that are fair game to add to an upcoming promotion or maybe a featured campaign, and you can check a box for all of them. Maybe you want to exclude the ones that are already planned in an upcoming campaign. So let's take those out and let's create a campaign around these products. And this is where you can start creating your campaign to move these specific SKUs. So there you go. It's a fun way to find hidden gems and promote the products that you have really good inventory position on.